So back here on Mike's Lincoln, if you recall, which it's easy to recall because you could just watch the videos on the playlist, we took this radiator over to Gary at Bob's, had him go through it. We removed bypassed all the crusty heater hose stuff, all the hard lines and everything. And we kind of made a block off, just temporarily, just so we can get the car running and driving. So Mike took it about a month and a half, 2 months ago, down to the Lincoln Club meet down in Palm Springs, not too far. It's all downhill. It wasn't even hot. Needless to say, it overheated, got hot, and this is from sticking my finger in the radiator. And this is our new radiator cap. Yucky. So, I'm gonna drain everything, and we're gonna get it prepared. And then the next time I come over here, we're going to flush everything. Draining. Look at the yucky. Look at the yucky. Now, mind you, we flushed. Excuse my arm. Ew! We flushed this when we put our new pump, new thermostat, new everything. The block was completely empty, dry, clean. Good old Ford blocks. Schmutz everywhere. Might have to put a Gano filter in this, kind of like we did on, we do on most Mustangs. But yucky.